Hello guys, welcome to Math Tutoring. This is gonna be our first YouTube video. You're gonna see different person in every video. It can be either me, or Samuel, or Diego Rivera. So the first mathematical process we're gonna be teaching is finding the derivative using the power rule. So basically, what is a derivative? A derivative is the rate of change on a certain point, and on a specific point. So let's say I have this equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. When we're asked to find the derivative, you need to use the power rule. So basically the power rule is as follows. We have 2x, and this is to the power of 1, right? So you gotta move the exponent in front and multiply it, and this one you also take as minus 1. So 2 times 1 would be 2, and 1 minus 0 would be equal to 1 minus 1 would be equal to 0. So everything to the power of 0 is 1. So it would just leave us with 2. So y prime is equal to 2. So what happens to 3, right? Every constant number like 3, 7, or 8, their derivative is 0. So to wrap things up, we're gonna do a more complex problem. So let's say they're giving us f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x plus 4. So what do we do here? Using the power, we're gonna first think about each one separately. So using the power rule, what is going to be here? So it's going to be 2 times 3, then x, then 2 minus 1. So this would be 6x to the 1. We have 6x to the 1. We don't need to write the 1, so it would only be 6x. Then we're going to do the same for this one. We have 1 times 6, x, 1 minus 1. So this would leave us with only 6. And remember the rule we explained before. Each constant number, their derivative is 0. So our derivative for 3x squared plus 6x plus 4 would be equal to f prime of x would be equal to 6x plus 6. And that's the final answer. And this is finding derivatives using the power rule.